Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the capital as well as currencies of respective nations. So these are the few important I have chosen from the various nations. I know few nations are very important and you will be asked in exams, and whatever the list have been prepared, it has been prepared with the proper scrutinize. So let us start with the nations. Here you can see the Israel. The moment we listen about Israel, we must remember about Jerusalem. So Jerusalem is the birth of Jesus Christ, and the capital of Israel is Jerusalem. As you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like. When it comes to the currency, they have the currency in shekels. And it comes to the Sudan. South Sudan, the capital of South Sudan is Juba. So you can see how exactly their construction and progress in Sudan, and the Juba is the capital of South Sudan, and they have the currency in the pounds. As we have in India, that is rupees, for them it is pound. When it comes to the Brazil, you can see the statue over there. It's in Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. So their currency is real. They are very important. Their national sport is football. So you can see Brasilia is the capital of Brazil, and you can see Rio de Janeiro, the statue over there. When it comes to the India, Statue of Unity, when it comes to the Statue of Liberty is in America. Now we have the capital of Iran. In the name of Iran we have R. In the same manner, the capital is Tehran. You can see to the right side what a beautiful place it is. So the capital of Iran is Tehran, and the currency, it is Riyal. When it comes to the Nepal, it is a neighboring country of India. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu, and the currency is Nepal's rupee. So you can see to the right side how exactly they have the constructions and monasteries. The Buddhist monasteries you will find maximum in Nepal, one of the finest place to visit. When it comes to the China, it's the capital of China is Beijing, and the currency we have, that is yuan or renminbi we call it as. So recently it has been renamed from yuan to renminbi. When it comes to the Pakistan, the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. You can see to the right side how exactly the famous construction in Islamabad, and we have the currency of the Pakistan is, that is rupee, but the rupee is Pakistan's rupee. When it comes to the Zimbabwe, it's Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe, and the currency we have over there, the dollar of the Zimbabwe. And we have the capital of Sri Lanka, which is one thing, and the Sri Lanka's capital, which is Colombo as the executive capital, but at present Sri Jayawardene Kotte is the capital of Sri Lanka. But if they ask which is the executive capital of Sri Lanka, then you have to write Colombo. And Sri Lanka is also known as before Ceylon, and the currency over there they use as Sri Lankan rupee. Next we have the Japan. In Japan, the capital of Japan is Tokyo, and the currency over there they uses yen. In the case of China, they use yuan. Here the currency is yen. When it comes to the Kenya, Kenya's capital is Nairobi. You can see the beautiful place over there in Nairobi, and we have the currency over there, that is shilling for the Kenyans. And along with the Kenyans, Uganda nation also has got the same currency, that is shilling. When it comes to the South Korea, the capital of South Korea is Seoul. You can see how exactly the South Korea looks like, and the currency will be over there, that is won. And the North Koreans, for the North Koreans the currency is Pyongyang. When it comes to the United Arab Emirates, the capital is Abu Dhabi, and you can see the constructions over there, one of the highest constructions, monuments you will find over there. And the currency we have in United Arab Emirates, that is dirham, and the capital is Abu Dhabi. And you should know what exactly the capitals of. I want you guys to comment me in the section. Saudi Arabia, you give me the capital as well as currency. Next we have capital of Mauritius. It's the southern side of India. For the Mauritius we have Port Louis. I want you guys to comment me in the section of Mauritius currency. I want you guys to comment me in the section. When it comes to the Denmark, the capital of Denmark is Phnom Penh, which is the capital of Denmark, and the capital we are aware, and I want you guys to comment me in the section the currency of Denmark. You can see the right side of there is a flag. And when it comes to the Slovakia, the capital of Slovakia, as you can see here, one of the beautiful place, that is Bratislava. And the currency we have, they have the currency of euro. The currency of Slovakia is euro. I want you guys to comment me in the section which is the currency of Italy. Next we have the Finland. Land of elephants, Thailand. Land of thousand lakes, that is Finland. Here we have the capital of Finland, that is Helsinki. See, such a nice construction over there. And I want you guys to comment me in the section what is the currency of Finland. When it comes to Nigeria, the capital of Nigeria is Abuja. So one of the beautiful place over here. And the currency we have, that is Naira. So next, when it comes to the Spain, we knew that Spain players, and the capital of Spain, that is Madrid. I want you guys to comment who is the best player of Madrid of football. So please comment me in the section the best player in Madrid, that is the player footballer, who the footballer is there. You have to comment in the comment section. When it comes to the currency of Madrid, that is Spain, comment me in the section. So whatever the comments I am asking, go through the comments. If you don't know, people have given the answer. When it comes to the Uganda, I told you already, the currency is shilling, and the capital of Uganda is, that is Kampala. And we have the Egypt, that is the Cairo is the capital of Egypt, where you will find the Sphinx and pyramids over there, and the river Nile also will find over there. And the currency I want you guys to comment me in the section is Egyptian currency. When it comes to Thailand, land of elephants, and the famous Thailand, the capital is Bangkok, and Thai baht, they use the currency, very important one. When it comes to Croatia, recently the runner-ups of the football, they have got the runner-up position, and the Croatia is the capital is the Zagreb is the capital of Croatia. You can see to the right side how exactly the beautiful city looks like. And when it comes to the currency, that is Kuna. Kuna is the currency of Croatia. Capital of Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan's capital is Nur Sultan. See how exactly the constructions over there in Kazakhstan. That is Nur Sultan. And the currency is Tenge. When it comes to the Indonesia's capital, that is Jakarta, and now it has been replaced by some other capital. I want you guys to find out in internet and comment me in the section. And the new capital, that is East Kalimantan, already given, no problem. The currency is Rupiah in the Indonesia, and Maldives we have Rupiah. When it comes to the Myanmar's capital, that is Naypyidaw. It's an exploring Myanmar's bizarre empty capital by drone. How exactly it has been given? See, Myanmar's capital is Naypyidaw, and the currency of the Myanmar, please comment me in the section, which is also known as Burma. The Canada's capital is Ottawa, guys, and the currency is dollar. When it comes to the USA, America, we knew that one of the strongest nation, it has got the Washington DC. This is the capital of USA, and I want you guys to find out the president's house. You are aware that there is a big house in America, and the currency they use all over the international currency, that is dollar. Everybody follow the dollar only. And the Bangladesh, we have the capital of Bangladesh, that is Dhaka, and the Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. You can see to the right side how exactly it looks like. Bahrain, we are aware, the capital of Bahrain. I want you guys to comment me in the section, and as well as Brunei nations also, you can comment me in the section. The currency is dinar in Bahrain. When it comes to the New Zealand, it is something, capital of New Zealand is Wellington, and capital of Australia is Canberra. Now the currency Australia's is Australian dollar, and here New Zealand's currency, I want you guys to comment me in the section. And the Italy, the capital of Italy is, that is Rome, and it's also known as Eternal City. And we should remember that the currency of Italy, that is euro or peso. I want you guys to comment me in section. When it comes to the Lebanon, it's a nation, and the Lebanon's currency, we have the pound, and the capital city of the Lebanon is, that is Beirut. When it comes to the Bhutan, the capital of Bhutan is, that is what, Thimphu, and the currency we have Nugultung. Nugultung is the currency of Bhutan. When it comes to the Ethiopia, we knew that Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia, and currency is Bir. When it comes to the Malaysia, we have Kuala Lumpur is the capital of Malaysia, and it comes to the currency of Malaysia is Ringgit. So these are the few questions I had prepared. Next video we will discuss about venue and sports events. Wait for the next video. Till then, bye. I want you guys to subscribe and tap the bell icon, for which you will get the notification. Thank you guys. I hope this will be helpful for you, and have a good day and have a good life, and share it to your friends also.